Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Solana. It's been a while. We haven't talked about Solana, and let's do a little bit of a conversation for Solana and what is going on. So the last time that I left you with the update on Solana was, I was expecting Solana to basically move to $12.32 for the retracement, but there are some few changes that I see currently because these are some old updates that I was looking back in the days. And we probably are looking for Solana to continue on with the inverse head and shoulder. So this is your left shoulder, you've got a little bit of a head going there, and this is going to be a right shoulder. Now, the neckline still remains here, and I don't know if there's any plan for Solana to move up. Maybe there is, maybe there's not. But one thing is very, very clear, that I would like to see Solana move above this neckline, backtest that neckline, and the next technical target for Solana before moving down to maybe $4 is to actually come above here, break out this level, and then move all the way up to $19.50. And this is a little bit of a zone here for an untapped liquidity as well. Take a little bit of a liquidity up here, supply zone, and then move down, because you're going to have that resistance right there. So people have their stop losses set right over here, in my opinion. And if anything, I'm not saying it's in play. It's not even in play to begin with, because you still need to break the neckline, backtest the neckline, and then we're going to talk about the potential move to the upside. Now that's the daily scenario. Let's dive into the 4-hour time frame right now. And unfortunately, I'm looking at Bitcoin trying to move all the way down to $16,500. So basically, if this is a right shoulder that is about to get printed out, put a stop loss at 12.7, because if you're losing, or if you're going to actually come down and lose 12.7, you have good chances of creating the reversal wave to go all the way down to $9.65. So that's pretty much it for this update on Solana. Just a quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love you.